Oatmeal, the superfood for weight loss and health. Oatmeal is not just a breakfast staple, it's a powerhouse of nutrition that can help you lose weight, improve digestion, and boost your metabolism. If you're looking for a natural way to stay full longer and burn fat faster, oats are your best friend. Let's dive into the amazing benefits of oatmeal and how you can use it for weight loss. Why oatmeal is great for weight loss. 1. Low in calories but super filling oatmeal is a low-calorie food that keeps you full for hours, preventing unnecessary snacking. This makes it an excellent choice for weight loss. 2. Rich in fiber for better digestion. Oats contain a special fiber called beta-glucan, which slows down digestion, keeping you satisfied longer. Regulates blood sugar levels, reducing cravings. 3. Boosts metabolism and burns. Fat oats are packed with proteins and essential nutrients that enhance your body's fat-burning ability, making it easier to lose weight naturally. 4. Controls appetite and reduces sugar cravings. Eating oatmeal helps stabilize blood sugar so you don't experience sudden hunger spikes or cravings for unhealthy snacks. 5. Improves digestion and prevents bloating. Oatmeal helps with smooth digestion and prevents constipation, keeping your gut healthy and reducing bloating. How to use oatmeal for weight loss. 1. Classic oatmeal breakfast. Cook half cup of oats with 1 cup of water or low-fat milk. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or honey for flavor. Top with fruits like bananas or berries for extra nutrition. Tip: for faster weight loss, use water instead of milk and avoid adding sugar. 2. Oatmeal detox drink. Soak 2 tablespoons of oats in 1 cup of water overnight. Blend it in the morning with a pinch of cinnamon and lemon juice. Drink on an empty stomach to boost metabolism and burn fat. 3. Greek yogurt and oatmeal mix. Mix 1/2 cup of oats with 1 cup of low-fat Greek yogurt. Add some fruits for a delicious, filling snack. 4. Oatmeal soup for a light dinner. Add 2 tablespoons of oats to your favorite vegetable or chicken soup. A great way to enjoy a low-calorie, satisfying meal. 5. Oatmeal as a flour substitute. Use oat flour instead of white flour for pancakes, muffins, and cookies. Enjoy your favorite treats in a healthier, weight loss-friendly way. Best tips for maximum results. Drink plenty of water. Oatmeal is high in fiber, so staying hydrated is key to avoiding bloating. Avoid sugary additions. Stick to natural sweeteners like honey or fruits. Stay consistent. Eating oats once won't magically burn fat. Make it a habit. Combine with exercise. Oatmeal keeps you full, but pairing it with a workout gives the best results. Final thoughts. Oatmeal isn't just a healthy meal, it's a weight loss-friendly superfood that keeps you full, energized, and on track with your fitness goals. Try these oatmeal recipes and share your experience in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more healthy tips. Bell.